Viewers all over the world, as you already know my name, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu Oraifite. I'm an ancient high priest. Yes, abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi lụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'oge anyị na-akọwa ọtụtụ ihe gbasara health benefit. Yes, echefukwana na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa ka na-aga n'ihu. Echi esonyela anyị ya, ihe esonyela anyị. Nwa ajụjụ ị nwere na nkụzi a ma ọ bụrụ ịchọ ka agbara gị afa miri emi. N'anya na screen gị ga-afụ my number. My WhatsApp number remains 08057837672. Now, anyị na-akọwa ihe gbasara n'oge a, ihe gbasara health. Because as na ndụ bụ isi akụ. It doesn't really matter. Yes. Ma ọ bụrụ na ịnwetacha akụ nke ụwa mana ịdịrọ ndụ. And like I keep saying, that what you don't know remains a mystery to you. Yes, and not to all. And I keep saying, seek for knowledge. Yes. If you are knowledgeable, you're a master. If you lack knowledge, you remain a slave. Yes. All young children, Akwụkwọ Hosea 4:6 says, my people are suffering because of lack of knowledge. I tell you, seek knowledge. Every other thing will be added unto you. Now, here actually go with the spiritual benefit of Ogirisi fertility leave. I go the health benefit in my previous video. So I'm going to watch the guy watch in my WhatsApp number 0805783772. Now let's proceed. Here can go about spiritual benefit of Ogirisi leave. One, Ogirisi leave well okay na nwunye. Like I told you before, they are the same spiritual work, the same functions and everything, the same vibrations. So Ogirisi leave is a leave where the spiritual capacity or osisi mmụọ continue to for na akwụkwọ holy leave. Yes, Ogirisi is one of the trees or plants with supernatural powers. You know why? Because na mmụọ na-ebi n'ime the herbs dwells in Ogirisi leaf. All the same herbs. You can also see all the sacred trees. So Ogirisi na so na ya. Pataro na na-eji Ogirisi were na atụ artifacts. Eji Ogirisi atụ ihe mmụọ ma ọ na-adọ mmụọ maka na mmụọ na-ebi n'ime. So mmụọ na na-arụ ọrụ mmụọ a na-eweta Ogirisi. Because ọ bụ na ịchọrọ ịkpọ ụmụ mmụọ oku, iweta ihe mmụọ na-eri, ihe dị familiar to mmụọ, anyị attract mmụọ. Ọnya ka ndị Igbo ji si na eweta ọjị kwa ụkwara ndị mmụọ egebe ntị. Because you wetara something ha na-eri maka ewere ihe onye na-asara ụkwụ ya ụgwọ oruo ya anarịa. If you want to know the number of ants living in your environment, just drop sugar, you see them. Because you provided what they're going after. If you drop a seed of beans, they will not come. So it will according what you don't know. So seek for knowledge. So Ogirisi leaf attracts the spirits. Yes, the aura attracts the spirits. So whenever we are doing spiritual work, we used to bring Ogirisi leaf around. That is one. Because of the attract vibration, positive vibrations. More when I make cleansing, I use Ogirisi leaf when I make cleansing. Yes. Akwagoro ngo ọtụtụ mgbe. O nwere ike ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ime cleansing of your compound. You can smart the leaves of Ogirisi, mix them with water and the other things. Ma wasiri gafia, I will mix it with your Ogirisi fair in a compound. It repels negative energy. Again, on what yes we will Ogirisi leaf. Draw the can steam of 5 legs, 5 hands, leaves. You use oil, you open all your windows and doors wide open. Use it to cleanse. Every night you will run negative dreams. Use it, open your door wide and use it to cleanse, do cleansing from up and down. Use it as if you are sweeping your room. It's all more cover. You are not sweeping it to touch on the floor, but in the air. You are doing it all more. Zap here and ask them to go away. Be doing it like every 7 days. You will see that you will stop getting that negative dreams. Again, you can take a leaf of Ogirisi leaf, put it under your pillow if you are a type that normally have negative dreams. Yes, it will be of great help. The same thing with that soursop leaf does too. Now you can put it, or sometimes you can use from time to time gụ na ụfọdụ ndị ghọtara ndị ha bụ mmekọcha ihe were ogirisi leaf smash ya squeeze it after squeezing it mix it in your baking water. Yes, squeeze it. What you need is that green water that comes from it. Yes, drop it, mix it with your baking water. It helps. You can be doing it especially whenever you have sexual intercourse with somebody you don't know. It helps. Then again, ogirisi leaf, you can use it anytime you feel like use it to cleanse off yourself. Then again, you can also boil it. Put it in your boiling this. After boiling it, use the water to help cleanse yourself as a bath. Then again, even the dried one, we add it whenever we are doing cleansing to repel negative vibrations. Like it act like incense, or if you have that has incense burner, or you living in a compound where you normally hear strange voices, you can put dry ogirisi leaf with other ingredients and fire around. It helps to repel them. Or inside your room, you are normally feeling fun. And again, we attract those negative vibrations because of the type of friends we keep. If you are keeping somebody with negative mindset, onye amosu, that amosu spirit gonna be tormenting. So from time to time you do those cleansing to ward off those negative vibrations around you. Because in the mind are very lazy. Have you asked yourself, this incense I go expensively from India? All these leaves I use dry would say depending on the hatch or the incense now. How dry chaya, what's it is here kind of here matches. Miss on what is a 10 a broom or incense. So when we Africans we twice use those things. It make it up incense without dried ogirisi leaves. It helps too. So sometimes what you don't know, you may say missing. In what case na mega attack. And I'm not with something Chineke Kello. One of the powers to repel those things. I'm not even some of you are more the importance of having those things inside the compound. In my compound, I have ogirisi. I planted them on their own. For I know fake it will be like but I can tell you, what you don't know remains a mystery. What do you have on any plant that west? Only that may matter the benefit. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, I want us to do deep consultation for you, Afa, or don't want to do one, feel free to chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837 672. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem no dị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi n'ugbo ya n'ihi na ọ masịrị ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwu Premier be with you all. May you be protected. May you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie.